4 Canadians suffering from terminal illnesses have been approved to receive psychedelic therapy to treat end-of-life distress. The patients will now have access to psilocybin, the drug found in so-called magic mushrooms.
TheraPsil is a Canadian-based organisation helping those who are faced with end-of-life to gain legal access to psilocybin therapy. Tara Portelli joined the team after working as a paramedic for 9 years.
We got approval. I mean, it took a long time. It took 100 days, but they dragged their feet a little bit, but we did get there.
How does it help with end of life?
So from the studies, it showed people that had end of life distress, they felt more peace, they felt less anxiety around their own death. So I think it's just, maybe giving them some clarity on the unknown and just feeling more at peace about it.
Scientists believe that during our lives, our brains become hardwired in how our senses relate to negative thoughts. Studies have shown that psychedelics create neural pathways which could give patients a new perspective to reduce anxiety. Thomas Hartle had been diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. He is one of the 4 terminally ill patients to have been given legal access to psilocybin.
In my particular case, under the psychedelics, it was a very synesthetic experience for me. So synesthesia is where you have a crossing of, say, you can hear colors or you can smell a texture. So it's a crossing of senses with other senses. For me, listening to music with headphones on, I had the sensation that the music created these full spaces with different characteristics. It was reassuring to me to be able to have my awareness and consciousness become something that is not just me. It very much gave me the impression that my consciousness isn't limited to just this physical body. When your body's in rough shape, that is a very good feeling, to have a confidence that this isn't all there is.
One GP has experimented with psychedelics and stresses the risks if they are not taken in a controlled setting.
And psychedelics are a tool. They help you. They give you a window into yourself that you don't see otherwise. And so are you prepared to do that? There's also risks with them. They're potentially traumatizing as well. They can give people very challenging experiences. So if they're not prepared for that experience and they haven't got someone to talk to about that experience, it can be quite damaging.
Researchers are hoping that the results in Canada will pave the way to allow more clinical trials to take place here in the UK.